real celebrating mood throughout last year. And now, this January, February, March also we expect our share market to do well. This celebration is because of the Indian economy which is booming. In spite of the fact the entire world is facing inflation. Our inflation, I think, is down, is below 5. This is something which is very fantastic. Friends, the result season is on. One result has very recently come of a good company. We are not discussing that. But from 9th of January, our true result season will start. So friends, today we are considering few stocks, those who have consistently performed for the last 4 quarters, and this quarter, that means Q3, October to December 2023 quarter also, they are expected to perform very well. As I said, 3 stocks are from the broking firms. Broking firms are blooming. The reason is the new traders are added every month. More and more Indian population is entering into the share market. Friends, remain with me for 12 to 15 minutes and let us see in very, very short term, literally in a week's time, what we can earn in the share market. Let us check few facts before we go ahead, and be with me for some time. I am Anil Sharma from Uptrending Shares, welcoming you to this presentation. So friends, in the month of January, what do we expect from the international clues? Now the bond yield is likely to remain between 103 and 104%. 10-year US bond yield. Expected petrol price, that is the Brent fuel, is likely to remain between 78 rupees to 82 rupees. FII activity net will remain in the buy mode, although not much is expected. The net outcome of international data suggests normal to negative. This is my perception. I may be wrong. But nevertheless, where I do not go wrong, I do not ever go wrong, is that our strategy actually matches. Our strategy produces money for every trader, irrespective of the market. Let us check, friends, now with the result season on Q3, the stocks which I have brought for you today. The first is 5 Paisa Capital. The results are expected to be on the 11th January 2024. Friends, for you here I have picked up, here I have a weekly chart for you, because whenever we do an analysis, we start only strategically, we start with the weekly chart only, and say somewhere around 10 days back at 500, 5 Paisa Capital had given a buy signal on 500. Today in 10 days time it has already gone by about 20%. Results are on 11th January. I will not be surprised if it goes 750 rupees, beyond 750 rupees. So you have a chance, friends, to earn in 5 Paisa Capital in a very, very short term. So this is the weekly chart we had taken to examine whether we can enter the market or not. Because this weekly chart, this is actually your active area. Let me just put it for you. This is the area which is very, very safe for us. Even if on daily chart it is down, it does not make a difference as long as you are in this area, or this is the price line and this is the moving average of 2 on the weekly chart is intact. See, they are both parallel to each other, number one. And the second thing is that this is on the wristwatch, the moving average of 2 is giving 2 hours 10 minutes. So let us now see them on the daily chart. Daily chart also, this is fantastic. So I think so that once I have not purchased it so far, I will purchase it on Monday now at 686 or whatever price I get. I will buy it for a target of 750 rupees plus. So my buy signal, from my side I will buy for myself 5 paisa capital. There is another share. This is Anand Rathi. Anand Rathi is fabulous. I tell you, they have been producing extraordinary results for the last so many quarters, and you can see here the way the trend it is showing. Can you see the trend? This is on the weekly chart. Fantastic. Now friends, here what is the problem here? There is a little problem here that the moving average is not showing 10 minutes past 2 on weekly chart. But my own assumption is, since the results are on 12th, it will go up, and I think it can conveniently go by somewhere around 75 to 100 rupees. Friends, let us see now this what it says on the daily charts. Weekly chart, it is not showing very promising, but let us see the daily chart also what it says. Daily chart is perfectly alright. It has already crossed the, it is at the highest actually yesterday. It can, I think you can add another about 200 rupees say to this, 2701 it closed. It can go up to 2900 rupees or so on. That is your Anand Rathi. I have not purchased. I will purchase it on Monday. Friends, yesterday I could not purchase because I was little busy, too busy to attend to the share market. I have not purchased, otherwise I would have purchased it yesterday only. The third stock in the series is Angel One. What do I say with this Angel One? Angel One is booming. 9 months back, Angel One was just say around 1200. It has gone up by 300%. In last 9 months time. What else does a trader want if your wealth grows 300%? In 9 months, this is 9 months weekly chart. So friends, here what we do is, the weekly chart is perfectly alright. It had given a buy signal somewhere around 3000, it is 3800, already gone by about 22%. And on the weekly chart also, friends, let us examine this, what it says on the weekly chart. Weekly chart is fantastic. You can conveniently add on this another say 7 to 8%. So it can go roughly about 4000 approximately, or even more than that by the time the results of Angel One will come. Angel One results are due on 15th of January. Right, so we have talked, friends, of 3 stocks. First we have checked them on the weekly chart, whether the buy signal is there or not. All are in the buy signal on the weekly chart, as well as they are on buy signal with daily charts. Now friends, one share we will see the results. This is your Jio Finance. Now Jio Finance, actually you know that it was demerged only in the previous quarter Q2. So we do not have much story about it. So this is actually the weekly chart for 9 months time, and the weekly chart, if you really see, it had given sell signal somewhere around here 240. Fine friends, and still it is in the sell signal only, it has not given a buy signal. So I think I will wait definitely till the buy signal comes. Whether I make money in this or not is a secondary thing. But when the buy signal comes, when both these are up and this pink line make 10 minutes past 2 on the up direction, I will buy. But still let us check it on the daily chart, what it says. So Jio Finance on daily chart is still on the sell. Friends, you have to take a call, and I will say that from one of the parameters, that is RSI, is showing here 45.95, quite attractively placed. but for a very very short term earning, I think we'll have to little wait for it, because in my opinion, this can from here the next fall will be somewhere around 228, then can fall up to 224. I am not saying that you buy this, even I will also not buy, because the signal is not there, irrespective of the various supports which I have told you at 224 and 200 and say 28, 29. No, I will not buy it. I leave it up to you. But one thing is there, if the results are good, it will definitely take a V-shaped recovery. So friends, we have today done with the 4 stocks, that is 5 Paisa Capital, Anand Rathi, Angel One and Jio Finance. Out of these 4 stocks, 3 stocks are very promising, that is 5paisa.com, Anand Rathi and Angel One. I will take position in all these stocks on Monday when the market opens. You check with your financial advisor what you are supposed to do. Also, we have talked about the in the international clues what actually it is going to show. Now, international clues may not be very helpful to us. So we are on the specifically on the stocks, and let us hope so that in very very short term, that means in next 1 week's time, we make anywhere between 8 to 12, 13%. So that is my story of the day. I wish you all the luck, and thank you very much.